shot off one of the pads.
Yeah.
I just woke up in Vegas and we need to pack up and get everything ready to go. We're going straight from here to Iowa for the Midwest Drone Battle. V3, I think. I took first place at this race last year, and I decided that I should go again, and I'm going straight there from DRL, which we're filming here in Vegas. So I gotta get everything packed up and get on the road before I miss my flight. So let's get going. Everything packed in? I think we are good to go. I found a Jake, and now we are trying to find an Uber back to the airport. We made it from Des Moines to Cedar Rapids, and Kevin and Jared and the rest of the used to be 3B guys just showed up, and Kevin, after seeing my horrible plane flight build video, wants me to come and fly his plane in the least conspicuous spot possible.
We're still 3B guys.
We're still 3B. Jared, I've got really good news for you.
It's worth 5 minutes.
What's that?
There's a Chipotle like right there.
Yes.
Okay.
The HDO crew is here.
Yeah.
Have you gotten to use one of these yet?
No.
Want to trade
No.
for this? Whoa.
Whoa. I want to at least launch it off the...
Yeah, we're gonna go over there and do it. This is the right wing mini track.
That doesn't look very many.
No. We're gonna have to land in like the grass or something. Oh yeah, it's got 3 cameras on board.
Wait, so he just switched from one camera to the other.
So there's one here.
Which that's the
This
rear.
is the rear.
So there's one there.
So there's the rear one. That's that.
Okay.
And then you have the front,
Yeah.
and then you have the bottom.
The bottom. That's so
Yeah.
scary.
So you can
It's
look
a
down.
spy plane.
So I'm gonna launch
Into the wind.
into the wind that way.
Wait, Kevin, your radio's on the ground. That's not fair.
Okay.
Alright.
So
Here you go. Trade you.
I'm gonna when you go, when you're ready, I'm gonna pull it off, and then it'll be in stabilize. Okay.
Okay. Stabilize means it's gonna level itself?
Yeah, and then I can take that off if you want. Ready?
Sure.
Stabilize mode.
All right.
Like, I'd rather fly it with,
Non-stabilize off.
I think so, but
All right. Ready?
sure. Ooh, it's twitchy.
Low rates.
There we go. So I'm coming right at us right now, or I'm over us?
Almost over us.
Yeah, I see it, okay.
Yep.
Don't worry.
Is this recording?
I'm not landing this. You know where all the puddles are? That's pretty good.
There we go.
Tell me, how long did you spend assembling this thing?
It's like a week.
Okay.
Yeah, it was like a couple days of just,
How long
on
does
and
it take
off.
you to build a mini quad?
Couple hours.
Okay.
This is an arts and crafts.
How much do you
project.
have invested in this?
Like 1,000.
How much do you have invested in your average mini quad?
Like 400.
So you're saying it's more than twice the cost and like 1,000 times the effort, and it still flies like garbage. I mean, it flew great.
Yeah, it's not a mini quad. It doesn't fly like a
But,
mini quad at all.
That was awesome. That really
Yeah.
was fun. Oh, you had that on GoPro?
Oh yeah.
I might want to borrow some of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna do my first. My first. Just do it. My first vlog.
Ready?
Ready.
Would you rather be a bard or a minstrel?
Hybrid.
A bardstrel.
There you go.
Yeah, like, come on. We're. There it is! Are you hyped? Wow, look at all those hits. Ooh, look at this cool tent.
Royalties here.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, honey.
James. Good, how are you? What's up, guys?
AMA and failsafe check. And what cell battery you running today?
6.
Tried harder for that guy, and it just didn't work out. So if you crash before you get off the block pad, that just sort of sucks. But you know, it is what it is.
So we just ran qualifier number 3. I'm flying fine, but not great. So I decided to kind of continue practicing the power loop gate and smashed my way down through the power loop gate. My quad was doing some weird stuff and I had some really blurry looking lens action, so I think we're expecting some carnage here. Hopefully I won't disappoint. Oh! That motor is missing.
Ouch.
That actually looks okay.
This tower is
There's quads out there, right?
it's causing a lot of trouble for people so far.
You go up through a tower and then down through another tower, and in order to, but because there's walls on the sides, you have to descend 10 feet and then go out. So it's like diving like an elevator shaft. For the most part, we're losing like half the field the first time through. So it's like, we're all a little bit nervous about it so far, but I'm pumped. I think it'll be fun. You think you'll be able to do it?
We'll get it.
Yeah, like even last year at Midwest Drone Battle, this is the second year we've been in a row. We had a 3-story dive gate, and at the beginning of the day, nobody could hit it. By the end, everybody was nailing it. So I think we'll see good things by the end of the day.
Yeah, extreme close up. Nobody wants to see that. But
just smooth things out, fly a little bit better, stop flying so fast. I'm just making dumb mistakes. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, we'll figure it out. See ya.
What's up?